Am I visible and am I audible? Okay. Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to be with all of you today here for the new dawn. That is the new dawn Happy Together event, and I'm really very impressed with all the work that you have done. I am. It has been a long time since I've been associated with DPS Dubai, and it's my pleasure to come here again as a judge for this event. I will just take 2-3 minutes of yours to give you probably some valuable lessons. First thing which I find here is that this competition is very innovative by itself. There are three forms of communication which are being interlinked together in this competition. That is the communication that is by written communication, the oratory skills, and the artistic skills as well. So it's really a very innovative competition which tests the various capabilities, various qualities, and the talent and the skills of the children. Here from this, I would like to slightly extrapolate it further and take it to a higher level, that you have chosen from the team of three of you which exactly the idea you will take, like whether you are going to be in writing skills or going to be orator or an artist. So likewise, I would like to tell you that in the life ahead of you, you have got a very big life ahead of you, a long and a successful life ahead of you. So always remember that you follow your passion, and you have something, I mean, you are something, you are good at doing something always. Find out that, and that will help you in really becoming successful in your life. You just don't need to be successful, but you also need to be happy. This is very important. So for that, what you need to do is to just find out your passion and follow it, and then success will automatically come to you. This is my first lesson for you. The second lesson would be not to give up in the face of adversities, because when you follow your passion on the road to success, definitely there will be some moments, some instances when you would not succeed or you would not achieve the results that you wanted. So at such times, what you need to do is just to remember that you don't give up, pursue and continue with your passion one step at a time. Remember that Amitabh Bachchan, Lata Mangeshkar, and Sachin Tendulkar, I think all of you resonate with these names. They all had their moments of glory as well as their moments of failure as well. But the point is that they never gave up, and that's what really made them legends that we see them today. And the third and the last lesson, which is very important, which I would like to tell you, is that on your road to success, you will be supported by many people around you. And without anyone's support, you cannot succeed in life. And the three categories, the list of people who will support you in your road to success are many. The list is a big list, but the top three, which I would like to take, is that first is your family. Your family, your parents, your brother, your sisters, your uncles, your aunts, and whoever are there, they are all always your well wishers. So please remember that you are thankful to them. You always show your gratitude to them for whatever they are, because they are doing everything possible to see that you succeed in your life. The second set is your friends. Everyone has got some friend in his life who helps him, who supports him or her in achieving all the success and all the efforts that they make. So this is the important. You be grateful to your friends also. And the last, but very important, the most important, is that please remember your teachers. Your teachers are the one who really mold you into becoming somebody successful in your life at a later stage. Remember that every president and every prime minister of every country was once a child who walked into school with the tiny steps, and they all have been molded. So your teachers play a very, very important role in your life. They are ones to guide you. They are doing everything possible for you. So please remember your teachers, show your gratitude for teachers, and never forget them. Always be thankful to them for whatever they are doing to you. And you are all in blessed hands. DPS Dubai is one of the wonderful schools, as I know. And this competition also, I am really very impressed with the content, the way the competition is being held. And I know it's going to be very difficult for me to judge because winner can be only one. But let me congratulate all of you in advance that all of you are winners, because everyone who participates itself is a winner. Participation is more important than a formal winning award or evaluation or whatsoever. So my best wishes to all of you. Congratulations, you have done a great job. And then I will get on with the evaluation now, but wish you all the best. Thank you so much.